days, members. Welcome again for another season of USA Thrive 2023. This is 19 March 2023. Okay, so this week is really excited. Okay, so we have a very zigzag of the because of the bank problem. Okay, so cause the market is become a very volatile. Okay. And today's in this video, we will discuss what will be the next step for Fed, and also why glove stock certainly should up in Malaysia. Okay, so we will start it. Share my opinion on this this field topic. Okay, so what we have starting here is we have seen that Europe has been up another 15 basis point, and China have cut the reserve of 25 basis points. That means now in Europe is up, China is down. Okay, so this is the down 25, and this is a 15 basis point. Okay, so in this really next week will be very excited because the Fed will need to decide the rate either is up or go down. Okay, so actually what we have seen the whole last week, okay, we need to go to this asset. Okay, so this is a QE. Actually this is an entire QT. Okay, so from the beginning of last year, okay, around April last year, the whole thing is start to QT. Okay, QT, that means the money is flow out of market. So now the entire thing is been drop until now. Okay, certainly I switch this on off back. Okay, certainly after 8th of March and 15th of March, that means after before the SPV, okay, SPV incident start. Okay, actually the buying asset is already start taking up place. Okay, so this entire thing is look like a QE, sorry, QE. Okay, so now after the effort of many months of QT, certainly now back to this one will be around here. It's almost back to November 2023. That means the entire year of 2023, the beginning of 2023, all the QT is the effort is all go to the drain already. Okay, so because of the this buyout. Okay, so what I'm seeing all this chart is actually what this chart mean actually. Okay, actually this chart mean US actually panic. Okay, I can say that is in a short word. Actually US government is panic. Okay, US government panic. If it did not panic, it wouldn't certainly shot up like this. Okay, either is panic or it's already planned. Okay, that means any bank explode. Okay, any plan explode, the QT will switch to QE. Okay, this is something that is a very interested. We need to monitor the entire for the next week. Okay, my opinion is that what I might get best guess is, okay, so next week actually Fed, I think in one hand it will continue to increase the rate 0.25. Okay, so this is because a rate increase of 0.25 is taking the profit entire world. Okay, take profit from all around the world. Okay, so why maybe member maybe thought that why the rate increase like this will taking a profit on us. Okay, imagine, okay, so when you want to buy something, let's say you are in Malaysia, you want to buy something from Taiwan. Okay, so your money need to go to USD first. Okay, USD first, then only the USD will go to the Taiwan. From Malaysia change to USD, then for USD need to change to Taiwan currency. Okay, so in all this change, okay, so there will be a changing rate. Okay, so that's why the important thing is the US more with this one. Okay, USD. If USD is getting higher in this transaction between your buying things from Taiwan, okay, so it's going to higher. Okay, all money just go to the USD only. Okay, and your effort, because let's say you are industrial. Okay, you are buying some item from A. Okay, from Taiwan. Okay, so you plus Taiwan product plus your B product. Okay, become made in Malaysia, you want to sell back to Taiwan. Okay, all this inter transfer, okay, is you need to go many times through USD. Okay, all your effort, you work hard and make sure Taiwanese want to buy all your advertisement, your risk, okay. So because of all these things transfer, okay, so USD just get the profit on the interchange, okay. Like that only, okay. Do nothing, okay. Do nothing, okay. So if the rate, let's say if this one, I go back to the chart here. Okay, I want to show yield curve. Okay, this is a 2 years yield curve. Okay, okay. So to a yield curve, this day when you have a big drop like this one will be effect on US index. Okay, so I scroll it down this one to US index. Okay, this is US. So this is USD index. Okay, so when you have a USD in Fed top priority, okay, make sure US dollar is strong, okay, because all this actually is printed money, okay. Actually because of interchange between, let's say example just now for Malaysia, you are buying a Taiwan product, okay. The entire process you actually just deal in Malaysia and Taiwan people only, okay, because you're selling each other, buying each other things, okay. So in between, because of the USD is a federal or world currency, okay, you need to you all your all your effort, you need to go inside you need to contribute back to a US country, okay, because all the money is printed by them, okay. You need to exchange it, okay. It's no choice, okay. It's no choice, okay. So that's why all these things, this is what the Fed want to see, okay, because if the rate is a drop, okay, so how they want to take profit from other country, okay. So this one is not the thing that need to see, okay. So back to just now here, okay, okay, I think next week the best is the one way there will be 0.25 increase in rate. Another way, actually, he will slowly become QE again. Okay, so because they need to maintain the rate, okay, to make sure USD amounts others country to maintain strong. Okay, and the other hand is QE inside their country to support their bank. Okay, so support their bank, make sure the bank is not explode. Okay, so that's why the entire system actually this is actually I think it's in logical of financial. I think this is not supposed to be happen. Okay, you cannot be rate increase also happen at the QE together. But I think US will do this time. Okay, out of all the against all I can say that. Okay, so because this is the only way. This is the only way I think it can, because they also, I think, why US they can act so quickly. Okay, on the bank problem, there's certainly the next payroll, everything. Okay, I think they already planned. Okay, so they already know that by using the rate increase, okay, their banking system will facing a problem. Just that hopefully China die first before them. Okay, and I think after the bank got problem now in US, I think they also think that China also cannot tahan for more longer one. Okay, so I think that the attack and this all these things is going to problem. Okay, so maybe sometimes I remember we do not know that what I mean is the US can attack the China. Okay, so you imagine actually China, let's say you are in Malaysia lah, okay, how many things in your house actually you buy things from China? Okay, a lot of things actually come from China manufacturing. Okay, China manufacturing. Okay, so yeah, or from the toys you buy, a lot of in DIY shop. Okay, you flip at the back is all made in China. Okay, so a lot of product and sub product actually all made from China. Okay, only food we buy in Malaysia we will get, because the China also buy food from us. Okay, they will also buy food from us. Okay, so all these transfer, all these things you did not use ringgit Malaysia. Okay, ringgit Malaysia to change to renminbi one. Okay, it's RMB RMB. Okay, okay, this is confusing. I using the NYR lah. Okay, Malaysia ringgit and Malaysia ringgit. Okay, so actually all these things you did not change transfer direct one. Okay, so you talk about, okay, you all go to USD one first. You go to USD one, then only you're coming back. Okay, so you did not talk about a few ringgit, you know. Okay, so this is a total export and total import. Okay, total export and total import is talk about billion. Okay, So how many million has been transferred, or you need to pair to USD, okay? And all this is based on short-term yield curve, okay? Let's say because all your transfer actually is based on a short term. Short term is this one. Short term, wait, I scroll down. Okay, short term month. Okay, so when you have a something like drop like this, that means the exchange rate is getting better for us. Okay, so now actually US is enjoying all these things going up. Okay, all your product buy sell from China, China sell to you, you sell to China. All your effort lah. Okay, so you want to go up, become international. Okay, or actually you need to pay something to US. Okay, they do nothing. They don't need to do anything. Just make sure your effort, right, your profit they will do, or your loss also they will take the profit also, because it's an exchange rate. Okay, either both way, same like the stock market lah. Okay, you in, okay, out, okay, either you are lost or what, you also need to pay the remisier. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, so that's why here you can see this one is Federal is the one to see this one. Okay, because for Friday big drop. Okay, so cause this thing has coming down. Okay, when this thing is coming down, there's to be not really a good option. Okay, so that's why the entire thing is not really favor. Okay, so that's why back to this asset, I think the same thing. Okay, US will make sure they are let the USD drop. Okay, USD drop. Okay, so if USD drop so much, okay, their inflation will coming up. Okay, because what their product buy from you, okay, they're using a printed money to buy your effort. Okay, so if the USD is dropped, then your a lot of things sell to in US will become increased. Okay, especially crude oil. Okay, especially crude oil and all the food lah. Okay, crude oil. Okay, so that's why all these things is not a good thing for USD. Okay, so I think next week my best guess is it will continue to increase 0.25. Okay, so then we will need to see how the things is being progressed for next week. But however, is actually is not really a good sign. Okay, so we'll be back to last Friday. Okay, how US closed. Okay, actually US closed back down, actually forming. Okay? So what you can see here, actually all the entire thing is still not good. Okay, you can see here this the Pentagon still in red color. Okay, VF trade zone actually from here is already start the pull down already. Okay, so and VF actually is continue. Okay, so but VF this is VF1, VS2. Okay, so actually here I thought that last this green bar actually has a blue triangle. Blue triangle that means a bullish, but we really surprised. Okay, by Friday this one has been override. Okay, so it means this one actually is already cancel each other. That means this is a red color still continue. Okay, this red color here, the red color is continue. Okay, so that means now I think this one will be in quite a dangerous zone. Okay, so but however, I think that US will do something to help to prevent this thing from going down lower. Okay, but because the situation is not really good, I think it's more likely it will be a sideways market lah. Okay, so this is US, and I think next week still will be maintained in this very tight range. Okay, so that means zigzag. Okay, so if you are playing an option or invest in futures, I think a lot of things you can play on. Okay, but in terms of stock, I think it's really uncertainty. Okay, so better don't avoid inside the market first. Let all the dust down before enter in. Okay, so another is we move on to Hong Kong. Hong Kong also say the same thing. Okay, this is the Hong Kong Friday futures. Okay, so it's already down. Malaysia, we're going to down together. Okay, you need to make sure you see on Japan. Okay, Japan index. Okay, Nikkei okay, so Nikkei 225. Okay, so at the morning actually in this Hang Seng one, Hang Seng actually this type of market actually very hard for you to invest on, especially call and put warrant. Okay, because call and put warrant, if you don't have direction, okay, so you need to something like a direction like this or direction like this, then only can make money one. If sideways, actually the call and put warrant cannot make any money one. If because this one will result everything's drop one. Even your call and put also it will be dropped together one. Okay, so avoid because last time I thought that this one after 20 moving average, okay, Dow Jones, okay, before any resistance coming in. But however, it come too quickly. Okay, on Friday, things already turned. Okay, so that's mean I think the real scenario is not that simple as the politician. Okay, so told us lah. Okay, in US. Okay, we also know lah. Okay, politician always tell you the good news lah, not the bad news. Okay, so that's why I think the market, any in ASEAN market on Monday, anything has been changed. Okay, but however, in this type of a market, when you come to Malaysia, okay, actually Fridays, okay, Fridays we actually this one is dropped almost 28 point, and this one actually rebound almost 28 point. And you can see here, we go back here, actually is more than that one. Okay, so if we get down, that means need to back up the same way here. Okay, so but you can see here the entire this one actually only if you are invest in futures, okay, you can benefit a lot lah. Okay, so because during the Friday, because before the day before that, US already rebound, then we will be rebound here. Okay, so in Monday you need to at the morning you need to look at Nikkei. Okay, Nikkei 225 to find Japan one. Japan, if it open okay, then we will maybe did not drop so a lot. Okay, but I think Nikkei sure will drop on Monday. I think. Okay, we'll drop first lah. After that, only see how. Okay, so I think we will follow after afternoon. Actually, Malaysia market you need to see too. Okay, morning one you need to follow a little bit with Nikkei 225. Afternoon you need to see this Europe STX 5,500. Okay, so the second season and the morning season actually we really I saw it quite tight with these two market. Okay, so you need to be alert if Europe. This is a Malaysia market. I think that is also depends Fed where to go. Okay, after Fed decision. Okay, Friday. Okay, we'll start Malaysia CPI. Okay, Malaysia CPI. Will this one this is Malaysia CPI on Friday, also quite important. See whether our price is going down or not. Okay, or hopefully the CPI is down. Okay, because the last OPR we already did not increase for 2 term already. Okay, in the coming term we did not know whether the OPR will be increased or not. It very depends on Friday CPI. Okay, next Friday CPI. Okay, so this is how to say this is the index. Okay, so actually this week I need to add something to on this glove. Okay, I can put it to the sector. We use Pusa sector. Okay, healthcare. Okay, and also compare on our sector. We using in financing. Okay, financing actually is most of our bank. Okay, so actually what we have see here actually this the when your financial market suddenly drop like this. Okay, so you need to question where is the money go. Okay, they just cannot simply out of here the into bank, then out from a stock market on bank. Okay, bank go back to the saving account of bank. Okay, so this is not is actually is a not a correct way. Okay, for the big money is floating one. Okay, so actually the money actually I see is flow into healthcare. Okay, if you are comparing in let's say example when you come to this trade BSA 360. Okay, so this one is very powerful desktop. Okay, so you need to know how to use it. Okay, example you type Kosan. Okay, there will be a insider report buying. Okay, so this is a very super, but this one sometimes need to let them. Oh, I put it. Okay. Okay. You can see here. You can see here when you go to a 6 month. Okay, I adjust it into a 6 month. Okay, you can see. I think this one is will be hard to see. I make it more bigger. Top glove. This one we search top glove. This one we continue with Kosan. Okay, this is insider buy. Okay, all this is an insider buy. Okay, so you can see here officially insider buy. If usually when it's not the okay, because you need to declare to SE. Okay, so this we call it insider buy activity happen before the stock moving up. Okay, but when you see compare, okay, so this one still need to wait for it to load, or maybe I use this one Okay, so when you see into a top glove, okay, so what you see here is recommend sell one. Okay, 17, this one I make it more bigger. It's very funny. The price has been increased, but a lot of a recommendation of a sell. Okay, but however, this top glove, I squeeze back to 6 months. Actually, here you got a lot of insider buy. Then after that, one round already, no? Okay, so this round actually already make money already one. Okay, so all these insider sell already. Okay, here come another round here they buy, then come down. Then all this recommendation is like profit bank, okay, all on hold. Okay, so actually I can see that the buying is insider buying is not heavy here. Okay, so certainly the things. My best guess is okay. So all this healthcare actually receive the money from all the investor out from a bank. Okay, out of bank, if you talk about you need to go to construction property. Okay, also not really good now, and technology lagi cannot, because technology now the interest rate is going up. Okay, so this one will be not a good sign. Okay, plantation. Okay, so like especially kelapa sawit, Indonesia has overproduced. Okay, so the price might be not a really a good one. Okay, consumer is still tight with inflation, but actually it improve. Okay, improve. Okay, so in industrial product still in the question mark. Is it go back to full swing or not? Okay, so that's why all the thing is go to healthcare. Okay, they go into a healthcare because glove sector. Let's say you go to a top glove. You go to a top glove. This when we go to a top glove, okay, you can see here the entire price has been dropped to very low. Okay, so this is the big wave of the big drop. Okay, VF here is a big drop, and this is no chance for you to rebound one. Okay, just only if the rebound also happen, just for sure only. Okay, so because the entire thing still in red color. Okay, only here when you have some change. Okay, the whole thing is start to jumping up. Okay, but this one is look like good. Okay, because it's above this ML line, but unfortunately it's dropped back. Okay, so this is dropped back. That's why you can see this green color is going down. Okay, so the entire process end up like here. Okay, end up like here, but only then another round of how to say, we the goring has been come up here, but it cannot last long. It coming down also. Okay, so but however, this is a short, is a wave. Okay, this is one wave, this is a second wave. Okay, and this is also down one wave, and this is down. This wave still be in red color. Okay, so for this top glove. Okay, so this it might be zigzag in this 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit and below range for a while one. Okay, so if you want to jump in here, okay, or jump in at this current level. Okay, so this one, if it don't break, it will come down one. Okay, then will be down for here for maybe we do not know they will be linger for how long. Okay, so better you don't trap in the upper side. Okay, so but since because they already have some activity. Okay, so you try to catch it at the lower point. Okay, okay, because we will already see the lower point at 0.58, and he did not come to this point anymore. Okay, so because of in a 2 round of drop, it did not break this 0.58. Okay, that means that this thing is smart money is in positioning. Okay, to goring one. Okay, but if either you wait at here, you try to jump in, or you wait until it's break up, test and going up. Okay, so you need to have this test. This is test. This is called a pullback. Okay, this is calling a pullback. Okay, that's why if this one has successful, then you have another big run. Okay, so if not, this one actually is zigzag like this. Once you jump in at 1 ringgit, okay, it's dropped back to 75 cents. That means 30 cents already gone already. Okay, so the price is zigzag like this. Your capital will be tied up from them. Okay, so this flow in, I'm not sure whether can last how long, because all the report come out from the top glove is not really fantastic yet. Okay, so not a fantastic one yet. Okay, so I think this is some setup, but the volume look like quite promising, because we got a volume coming here. But sometimes the volume come in just trap you to buy, then they will be going mark up and going up again. Okay, so that's why need to be careful. Okay, So this is a little bit about the glove. Okay, so we'll go back to this desktop again. Okay, see next week anything to look at. Okay, for my opinion is usually I'm out for market one. Okay, so I already totally out for market because the volatility is too high. Okay, so I have a cycle one. Okay, so you don't trade every day one. Okay, every cycle one. Okay, so sometimes you already here, you already earn your money. Okay, so if you need to continue continue to how to say, stay in the market, actually you lost back to the market one. Okay, so after maybe here you lost more than you profit. Okay, so when you want to invest, then come to here because every time if happen a cycle. Okay, sorry, the cycle is not really a cycle. Okay, so when you're really in the cycle, usually you won't enter at the beginning of a rally one because you are not sure yet. Okay, so when you are already promising sure already, maybe you're almost at the top already. Okay, so and maybe sometimes you take a profit. Okay, you make a profit at the top here, you make a profit. Okay, so but your investment to continue. Okay, so when you have a drop to here already, all your profit already gone already. Okay, all your profit is already gone. Okay, and you continue hold until here, you cut usually you will cut loss at the bottom one. Okay, so when the news is very bad, okay, like no hope. Okay, so you will cut loss here, then you will have a loss again. Okay, loss again, and you did not enter here until the market is getting approved again, then you will re-enter here. Okay, you re-enter here. Okay, so from this formula, you will always lose more than profit one. Okay, so when the times pass by, okay, that's why you are not making money for a long term. Okay, so that's why this is a not this is a regular scenario happen to many many members. Okay, they try to invest in a market for long term one. Okay, so usually when you have a pickup here, okay, let's say the cycle is like here. Okay, now we are somewhere here okay, now we are somewhere here, we did not know is it already bottom or straight away this one might be going out again. Okay, but however last few months, okay, let's say from October until January one, okay, is a very good month of investment. Okay, so sure you will be making some money one, sure you will be making some money one. So that's why when the thing is not looking good, you make sure you need to out for market first. Okay, out for market first, you don't do anything. Okay, you need to secure your profit. Okay, you secure your profit, then let the market down. Okay, down until now, because all thing is not certain, so you need to wait and see first. Okay, until the big bomb coming in, but sometimes we do not know the bottom lah. Okay, but at least every time we can cash this one. Okay, cash this profit. So every time you cash this one and you cash this one. Okay, so in the long term, you avoid this. You avoid holding your stock to navigate the loss here. Okay, so you only maintain here for long term. Sure, your profit of your portfolio sure will increase one. Okay, so that's why to make a profit in a market is not I can say that it's not very hard lah. Okay, the hard part is how you avoid you are inside this downturn. Okay, yeah, in the uptrend, you close your eye, buy one stock also running one. Okay, so when the stock is going down one, you no matter how you search and clear to see the chart, okay, the market is down, it's sure going down one lah. Okay, so that's why this is the scenario. Okay, avoid any downturn. Okay, when you also can, you can in your desktop, you see all this is red color. Okay, foreign investor also will really come out. Okay, why you still need to stay inside? Okay, it's no point to support the market. Okay, we just only have a tiny how to say, our investment capital is just only very tiny compared this foreign fund. Okay, so from here actually I see you can still can go into this non-supply. A lot of stock also is not many. Okay, so when you talk about all this stock, okay, so the chances for it to go up high, it can be, but out of all these things, you didn't know which one you are buying is going up. Okay, so like this try this one, try what? Okay, So I go to this one, TRIV. We look one stock here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is one of the stock. Okay, and also I want to show you is another stock, is this stock. Okay, so some like this AAX. Okay, AAX. Okay, AAX, this the Asia flight lah. Okay, AX. Okay, so you can see during the entire market is down. Actually, is flying quite high. Okay, because this is the fundamentally it's like a very how to say actually quite a lot of things be going up lah. Okay, so because this stock actually suffering the loss lah. Okay, but this one is I want to show you here is because it's quite promising, because during here actually you can see this came during the accumulation stage. Actually, it's all in a blue color, a green color, and this one's the VF is above this ML line until here the blow up. Okay, the markup, and this is continue moving up. Okay, so this side of the stock, because already missed, then don't chase it out. Okay, just want to show that some of the stock even though the market is very bad, there will be going up some more also. Okay, so okay, this stock is because it's penny stock is too low, then we will not go into it because it's too low, and it will be quite very dangerous. Okay, so for me, I think I will not into any stock recommend, not recommend. I just not a buy call or sell call. Okay, so but mainly all the stock that I'm look into it one. Okay, so still not really good, because all the Friday is all in like this public bank. I think a Friday is a rebound, but I don't know whether the Monday will drop back. This bar before it's closing. Okay, so this one I pull it out here. Okay, I pull it out here. Okay, so you can see here this is a public bank. Okay, so when you have seeing a up trust like this, okay, so I recommend you to maybe put it see in this public bank is. Okay, so when you have like this okay, so you shoot out on almost at the end of before the closing. Okay, so here you can see here until is the closing. Actually, here is your market reopen at the second half. Okay, once the second half has been shoot out, then certainly you have a buy drop back like this. Okay, so this is actually is not really a good symptom. Okay, so it falls like this. That means you can see that actually the insider is already know that the market is not going to close back good at night. Okay, or it already foreseen something is not really good. Okay, so in terms of continue selling, then better I mark up first, then let a lot of retailer buy, then only he sell down. And you can see before the closing, the sell down become a heavier. Okay, so this one is all sound that is something fishy in the bank sector one. Okay, so a lot of bank sector, I think don't know what happened inside. Okay, so and you cannot, let's say you are just now using 30 minutes. Okay, so when you switch to a 1 minute, okay, you switch the turning point. Okay, the turning point. Okay, so you can see here a few minutes time. This one has been marked up. Okay, it's marked up very fast. Okay, you can see the volume here is marked up very fast. Okay, so after that, wait for the someone to queue to buy. Okay, bottom already is a bottom rebound, or you queue already, then he start to sell down. Okay, here you sell down. Okay, so then all these things been go in here, all will be trapped. Okay, so that's why when you are seeing something like an uptrust, something like that in a like public bank or Maybank, or something is not really it will be a worrying for this banking sector. Okay, but hopefully everything will be in good condition and can weather up all this storm. Okay, so for next week, they will be seeing what the Fed rate will increase or not increase. They actually show this one all will be causing some volatility into the market. Okay, so rest first. Okay, so and be careful for next week investment. Okay, so I will stop here, and that's all. Okay, bye.